Hey friends! So back with another video here. This one's just to help you learn about the calendar feature here in Canvas. This is a really cool feature that I think you'll enjoy. Students will also enjoy. This is just showing it to you from the teacher's point of view. So obviously I'm in a couple different classes, which can be kind of hard to manage, and for a lot of our students that can be very difficult as well. Especially when we're going to have multiple subjects with courses due. So where can they go? They can go to their calendar. This is pretty much, for all intents and purposes, their agenda. Now you're going to notice over here to the right, scrolling up and down right now, it has all my different calendars comprised, and it will have different colors for the different events that'll be happening. So you'll notice right now on my calendar I only have one thing. That's our Canvas course lesson, and that's on Wednesday, July 8th from 11 to 3. So this is pretty cool. You're able to see this in action. You can delete it. Now, let's say I had a bunch of assignments due. They would be all up here on a pile. After I completed them, they would be crossed out, marked done. And so this is a great way for students to keep track of what they have to do, and for us as educators as well to keep track of what we need to do. So when you're on Canvas next time, check out the calendar feature and mess around with it. Alright, have fun.